15 miles away from here, 25 minutes away. I think it's this one, from all I remember. It's heavy. Come on. Name? Yeah, Pups and Pets. Wow. Quite heavy, mate. Doesn't look heavy, but it's heavy. Puppy power. Nice one. When it's flat surface, I don't leave it. When I leave it, I leave it. This one I don't. Okay. It is okay? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So they just finished now with emptying this pallet as well. So I've done it. This job is prepared just to be dropped off, and that's it. So now putting this one here. Let's go. Right, mate, so I just arrived to the last delivery. I just found it now. Took me like 10 minutes to find it. Now you just drop off the pallet, take the signature and go. That's it. I think there are some empty pallets to be taken as well. We'll see. So about it, I collected a lot of pallets today. Loads. Put this one in the shop. Happy days. There are some empty pallets to be taken as well, or?
Pardon?
There are empty pallets to be collected? Or?
I don't know. If there is any, we usually stack at the end next to the bin.
Yeah, I can see some, but I'm not sure if it's...
You're welcome to take any.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll take it for you, mate.
That's fine. Cheers, mate.
Can I have a signature, please?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Happy Christmas. Enjoy. Thank you. Okay, let's go home. And I'm supposed to go straight and take M602, but look what is ahead, mate. It's traffic. Traffic again. Everywhere I'm going is traffic, mate. I just need to find myself a way. to do now. So guess what? I just came from Wales to here without the sat nav. Is that impressive or not? Now the time has come for this lorry to get back to the yard. So if you want to come and visit Salford Keys, you can come and park your car on this road here. So you will not pay any fare. But if you decide to park it somewhere around there in the car park, you pay a fortune, mate. Well, your car will be secure somehow, but you'll pay a lot. Oh, we got duff in our yards. Duff. Duff, 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 duff. Yeehaw. 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 We need to put them pallets out of the vehicle first, and then we do any other thing. So actually it's a Duff 65. Wow, quite an older version, eh? Duff CF or something like that.